I've got 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to combine a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and a ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And I'm just going to mix it in this little bowl. Just combine it. Set that aside. Now I'm going to beat 1 1/2 sticks of softened butter with a ½ cup of granulated sugar and a ½ cup of packed brown sugar and a ½ cup of peanut butter. Creamy. And I'm going to beat this until it's all creamy. Straight down my bowl. Smells so peanut buttery. Now I want to beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm turn my mixer down, and I'm going to gradually add in my flour mixture. And you just want to beat it till it's combined. A good stir. Clean off these beaters, or this beater. Now I'm going to stir in 1 12-ounce package of chocolate chunks. And a ½ cup of coarsely chopped peanuts. And we're just going to stir those in. And this makes about around 3 dozen cookies. And I've got my oven preheating to 375 degrees. Alright, now I'm going to use my cookie scoop, and I'm going to scoop 12 cookies. I haven't made these in a while. They are really good. I don't always have peanuts lying around, so I don't think about making them. These are some that I do make more. You have those recipes you try once, you like them, but you don't go back to. Then you have those faithful recipes that you make regularly. And even though this one may not be regularly, it is a faithful recipe. I love it. It's just I don't always have the nuts. And you just want to flatten it a little bit will work better. Alright, it says to bake these for 7 to 10 minutes. And I will see you when they're done. It took 7 minutes in my oven. You want it to where it's still set along the edge, but still soft in the middle. And I'm going to let these sit on the rack for, it says 4 minutes. It'll probably do a little bit longer than that. Then I'll move them to the other rack to cool. And I will see you when I have them all. Here they are. Don't they look delicious? I have to admit, a few cookies are missing. It made a few cookies over 3 dozen. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.